Hello or bonjour, as they say in Paris. Are you ready to sprinkle some Parisian magic into your life? Today, we're diving into the heart of France to explore the top 5 unmissable sights of Paris. So grab your croissant and let's get started. First on our Parisian list is the Eiffel Tower. Starting with the iconic Eiffel Tower, love at first sight does exist. Standing tall at 324 meters, this Iron Lady welcomes almost 7 million visitors each year. But did you know it was originally considered an eyesore by many Parisians? Insider tip: for a magical view without the crowds, visit at sunrise. The early wake-up is a small price to pay for a more intimate experience. Number 2, the Louvre Museum. Next, let's wander through the corridors of history at the Louvre Museum, the world's largest art museum. Home to thousands of masterpieces, including the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo, this former royal palace is a treasure trove of art. Fun fact: the Louvre is so large that it would take 100 days to look at every piece if you spent 30 seconds on each. Number 3, Notre-Dame Cathedral. The soul-stirring Notre-Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of French Gothic architecture, has stood the test of time and fire. Now under restoration, it continues to captivate. Insider tip: visit in late fall when tourist numbers dwindle to feel the historical ambiance more profoundly. Number 4, Montmartre. Let's climb to the artistic heights of Montmartre. Once the haunt of artists like Picasso and Van Gogh. Insider tip: lose the map. Wandering Montmartre's whimsical streets without a plan reveals its true charm. Number 5, the Seine River cruise. Finally, set sail on a Seine River cruise. Whether by day or by sparkling night, see Paris from a fresh perspective. Floating past landmarks like the Louvre, Notre-Dame, and of course the Eiffel Tower. Shocking stat: the Seine River runs about 777 kilometers long. But the most enchanting stretch is right through Paris. There you have it. Paris isn't just a city. It's a world of its own waiting for you to discover. What's your favorite Paris site? Share it in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey through Paris, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and share the love of traveling. Keep wandering, but most importantly, keep the spirit of adventure alive. À bientôt and happy travels.